How to recover your Roblox account without an email and phone number. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this very quick video. So all you basically gotta do is click on forgot password or username. Then right here you're on the password tab, which is good. And then you want to enter your email. But if you don't have access to your email or you didn't add it, then you can use a phone number instead. But let's say you also don't have a phone number added, or you have a different phone number or whatever, then what you can do is go to help. Now over here, if you click on help, it will open up a new tab. You simply want to go to a Roblox account. Then over here, you should see forgot my password. Now, if you click on here, you will get a whole explanation of basically what I just explained, so that you can use your phone number or your email address to reset it. But like I said, if you don't have it, that's probably why you click on this video. You can also scroll down. It says still having trouble. If you didn't add an email address or phone number to your account and try to reset your password, you can reset your password with this feature because obviously you haven't added it. So contact customer support, describe your login issue in detail. All player must verify ownership of account before it can be reset. So go to the customer support, go to issue details, click on PC or wherever you are on, click on account hacked or can't log in, and then here click on forgot password. So here you want to describe your issue and obviously put your username and all of that in there as well. And hopefully in a couple hours or a couple days, Roblox will reply back. Hopefully they will fix it for you. So I hope this video helps you out and I'll see you next time.